Today I want to talk about the design philosophy behind this tiny house. It's a space that combines two very distinct styles, mid-century modern aesthetics and the concept of Hygge. The mid-century modern influence is visible in the furniture. We chose pieces with clean lines and functional forms. The wood tones are natural and warm. This style emphasizes simplicity and utility, avoiding unnecessary ornamentation. The goal was to create a space that feels uncluttered and logical. Every piece has a purpose. Hygge, on the other hand, is all about comfort and contentment. It's the feeling of being cozy. In this home, we've incorporated Hygge through textile soft blankets, throw pillows, and a textured rug. The lighting is also important. We use warm, diffused light to create a sense of calm. The presence of natural elements like the potted plant also contributes to a feeling of peace and tranquility. The combination of these two styles works exceptionally well in a small space. The minimalist nature of mid-century design ensures the home doesn't feel crowded, while the elements of Hygge ensure it doesn't feel cold or sterile. It's a careful balance between form and feeling. Every item in this house has a purpose, either functional or emotional. This intentionality is what makes the space feel personal and comfortable. It's not about having a lot of things, but about having the right things. This house is a reflection of a conscious choice to live with less, but to do so with style and comfort. It's proof that a small space can feel both sophisticated and incredibly welcoming. The combination of these two styles works well in a small space. The minimalist nature of mid-century design ensures the home doesn't feel crowded, while the elements of Hygge ensure it doesn't feel cold or sterile. It's a balance between form and feeling. Every item in this house has a purpose, either functional or emotional. This intentionality is what makes the space feel personal and comfortable. It's not about having a lot of things, but about having the right things. What happens when you mix sleek, clean design with a warm, cozy feeling? You get this tiny house. Today, I want to show you how we blended the sharp, timeless look of mid-century modern with the deep comfort of Scandinavian design. The furniture in this home tells the first part of the story. Its simple shapes, straight lines, and beautiful natural wood tones are all a nod to mid-century modern style. We picked these pieces because they're not just beautiful, they're useful and practical. The idea was to create an orderly, open space where nothing feels out of place. This commitment to simple utility helps the tiny house feel bigger and less cluttered. To balance out that clean look, we added a touch of Scandinavian warmth. This isn't just about throwing blankets around. It's about a mindful approach to comfort, what the Danes call Hygge. We've brought this feeling to life with soft, inviting textures like plush blankets and a cozy rug. Our lighting, with its soft, warm glow, adds to the serene atmosphere. Even a simple potted plant brings a bit of nature inside, contributing to a sense of peace. These two styles, which might seem different at first, actually work together perfectly. The minimalist mid-century foundation keeps the space from feeling cramped, while the cozy Scandinavian elements make it feel like a true home, not just a showpiece. Every single item in here serves a purpose, whether it's practical or simply brings joy. This isn't just a house. It's a deliberate choice to live with less stuff and more intention. It shows that you can create a home that is both chic and wonderfully welcoming, no matter its size. How do you create a home that feels both stylish and wonderfully inviting? We found the answer by merging two classic design philosophies in this tiny house. Here, the sophisticated, clean aesthetic of mid-century modern meets the heartfelt, comforting spirit of Scandinavian design. The foundation of our home is built on mid-century principles. You'll see it in the furniture's simple shapes, elegant lines, and the natural beauty of the wood. We chose these items for their dual purpose. They are both functional and beautiful. This intentional approach to furnishing keeps our small space from feeling cluttered, creating an environment that is open and orderly. To complement this sleek structure, we infused the space with Scandinavian warmth. This isn't just about decor. It's about embracing Hygge, the Danish art of coziness. We've brought this to life with inviting textures, think soft blankets, plush pillows, and a textured rug that soften the clean lines. Our lighting is designed to cast a gentle, warm glow, and we've added a touch of nature with a potted plant to enhance the peaceful atmosphere. The result is a perfect partnership. The minimalist core of mid-century design ensures the home never feels small, while the Scandinavian touches make it a genuine sanctuary. Every piece in this house has earned its place, serving a purpose whether practical or emotional. It's a deliberate decision to live with less, but to do so with purpose and beauty. This home proves that a small footprint can still make a huge impact on your comfort and well-being. Have you ever wondered if a home can be both elegantly simple and deeply cozy at the same time? We've managed to do just that in this tiny house. By combining the sleek, timeless aesthetic of mid-century modern with the comforting warmth of Scandinavian design, we've created a space that's not just a place to live, but a feeling to inhabit. Our design journey started with the fundamentals of mid-century style. Look around at the furniture. You'll notice the graceful lines and the warm, natural tones of the wood. Every piece was chosen for a reason, blending functionality with visual appeal. This purposeful selection keeps the small space from feeling overwhelmed, creating an environment that feels organized and effortlessly spacious. To keep things from feeling sterile, we introduced the heart of Scandinavian comfort. This goes beyond simple decoration. It's about embracing Hygge, the Danish philosophy of coziness. We've brought this to life through soft textiles like the plush blankets and the textured rug that soften the clean edges of the furniture. We've also paid close attention to lighting, using a gentle, warm glow to create a serene mood. A simple potted plant adds a touch of nature, enhancing the overall sense of peace. The synergy between these two styles is what makes this house truly special. The minimalist framework prevents clutter, while the cozy elements ensure it feels like a real home. We believe every single item should have a purpose, whether it's practical or just brings a smile to your face. This house is a testament to the idea that you can live with less and still surround yourself with beauty and comfort. It's proof that a small space can feel incredibly grand in terms of well-being. Here in this tiny house, we found that a home can be both chic and comforting at the same time. The secret lies in a carefully crafted blend of two design giants, the timeless look of mid-century modern and the cozy spirit of Scandinavian design. Our design journey began by building on the core principles of mid-century style. Take a look at the furniture. Its graceful lines and warm wood tones speak for themselves. We picked each piece for a specific purpose, prioritizing utility as much as looks. This deliberate approach to furnishing prevents clutter, making the small space feel open and tidy.